What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Doing another live stream here. We had a flash dump today. Pretty epic dump. I'm going to go over a few things. If you're watching this video as a playback, there will most likely be time codes in the description below. So you can scroll, skip through it a little bit. So before we get started here, I'm just going to wait until we got more people joining in the chat. Joining in here before I get started. What's up, everybody? So we got some familiar faces here again. What's up, guys? Got a really nice dump this morning, guys. It was great. Guys, let me know where you guys are tuning in from before we get started here. Yeah, we had, guys, yesterday was crazy. We had so many new people. Like, I had people commenting on my video saying that they never bought Bitcoin before and that they're buying now. And I was like, man, this is going to end bad. Svag. Got some people from my, I actually am a Swedish citizen, guys. I am a Swedish citizen. I can't really speak Swedish, though, but I am a Swedish citizen. I know that's weird. So we got people from, this is a global channel, guys. We got people from everywhere here right now. In my living room. That's one hell of a location. That's what I love about this channel, as I can go live like at any time, and the viewership is pretty much the same. Yeah, guys, there was so much So, I'm a globalist. No, I'm very much the opposite of a globalist. What's up, Annie? How's it going, guys? World is meeting Kevin's living room, yeah. Anyway, guys, so yesterday, I mean, man, we had so many people, so many YouTubers, so many analysts, so much of just everything, of people saying that bull market started. They were saying bull market started. They were saying these are the lowest prices you ever see. They were saying you have to get in now, right? And if you just back out and you just look at the chart, I mean, we had the price came up to here, to this resistance cluster, we got rejected. Price came up again to the resistance cluster, got rejected. Price came up again to the same resistance point, got rejected. Price came up again to the same resistance point, got rejected. Right? Nothing changed, guys. Nothing. Again, like even though we did break out of this downward sloping resistance line here, sure. I mean, overall, if you're just looking at the chart, not much really changed, guys. Right? So all those people that you heard yesterday saying that the bull market started, you got to get in now. You should probably second guess listening to those people, because I mean, it's reality check, guys. The bear market's still here, right? The bears stepping back in, saying, "Hey, I'm still here," right? This is a FOMO check. This is a FOMO check, guys. And now we're seeing a continued dump. All right, so let's see where we're at right now. So we actually came back. Fell below our downward sloping. So if you guys just see these resistance points right here, resistance, 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 and we actually broke above it here. Got a little bit of movement out of it. And we bounced up to that horizontal resistance, got rejected. Now we're actually back below our downward sloping resistance right now, guys. We're actually back below it right now. We're below it. We came right back into it, guys. We returned right back into the downward sloping resistance. Let's see what chat's saying. What's up, guys? What's up? I see a lot of familiar faces. I can't give everybody a shout out right now, but I see all of you guys. Dirty bear. The bear's back to town. Yeah, guys. I mean, guys, I was just trying to be realistic, right? Like, you could go to any other YouTube channel and they would have told you that, you know, bull market started, Bitcoin's ready to, you know, go to the moon and never come back. I tried to stay as conservative as possible. Do I think we're gonna pump back to 4K? Probably not, guys. Probably not. The reason why we probably won't just pump back to 4K is because, guys, these types of moves damage the market. The market gets damaged from this, right? You have this nice little, you know, we had like there was no activity in this area. We had a nice little bounce consolidation. We started running, right? And on these runs, you saw the demand pick up, right? But it was very short-lived. And guys, you have all these people FOMOing into the market. Price goes up, and you guys, it's very damaging for the market when you see this, right? People were so hype on this move. They're not just going to be. Guys, I personally don't think the market's going to be able to just recover from this and come back to 4K. I don't think so. I really don't think so. The sell volume is now exceeding the buy volume right now. It's just probably not going to happen. So I was just responding to someone's question there. No, it's healthy. Yeah, I mean, yes, it is healthy. But I'm saying for the people who are FOMOing in, this is very damaging mentally. It's pretty damaging. It's also pretty scary for anybody who is, you know, FOMOing into this market right now. If they were getting in anywhere here, right? There's going to be, guys, there's going to be a lot of downward pressure, a lot of sell pressure now because of this. The you know, the rug was pulled out from under the price right there. What else do we got? Looking at Ethereum here, also getting rejected off that resistance. Pretty nice dump on Ethereum as well. Overall market cap 129 billion. And everything is dumping. Everything. And this is, you know, guys, this is one thing you got to realize about this market is when every single crypto is making the same move, every single crypto is getting dumped. What does that mean? Think about it, guys. What does that really mean? If every single crypto is getting dumped all at once, what does that mean? It means that we're still, I don't know. I mean, I don't know if I want to, yeah, I guess I can say bubble. It actually means that we're still in a bubble. Because there's so many useless coins here, guys. So many useless coins in here that have no value. I mean, and are trading with Bitcoin because they have no value, guys, right? When things trade based on value, they trade against one another, right? The market actually has sectors. There's things trading against one another. And in the crypto market, everything seems to flow up and down, and you have all these shit coins doing the same thing as Bitcoin. It means that we're actually still in a bubble, believe it or not, guys. Believe it or not. And I think a lot of these coins need to die, and that is why I think we still need a slightly longer, prolonged bear market, guys. Just slightly longer. Another year, right? Another year. That's what I think is going to happen. We're going to get rid of a lot of these, right? There's no reason why everything should be trading in the same exact direction. There's like, you need to think about that, right? It's just a speculative market. Nothing's being traded on value. Everything's just following Bitcoin for the most part. Not all of them, but for the most part. Even Link is dropping. Guys, everything's going to be dropping right now. You kidding me? Seeing that? I guarantee the market's so confused. Yesterday we were so bullish. Everyone was so hype. We were going to the moon. And now we're just like down back into the... Guys, we're back down now right into the middle of our entire area. We're back into the middle, guys. Just hanging out right in the middle of our formation here. Back down below downward sloping resistance right now as well. Got rejected, came up, got rejected, came up, got rejected, right? Nothing has changed. The parameters of our formation, yeah, we broke out of our downward sloping resistance, but we're just bouncing off of 3,200, getting rejected just over 4,000 every time. Yeah, and the thing is, guys, after a move like this, like you had a lot of confidence, guys. Like I usually take the psychological approach before, like I do it. I just think about things from a psychological perspective more than I do most things, and I'm just thinking like a lot of hype, guys. A lot of support being built, right? A lot of hype, but it was just like it was all being held up by just this idea that. We were bull market started. It was just that idea, right? It was just all that hype, all those YouTubers, all those analysts just saying all that BS, right? And all you needed was one big whale to come in and just end the whole thing, right? It was a very fragile run, guys. It was a very fragile structure that we had going on here. Again, like I've been saying, the volume was nothing groundbreaking. It was decent volume, but it was a very fragile structure to break. And it didn't take much, guys. It didn't take much to just end it. It didn't take much at all. And it looks like we're probably continuing to fall now. We'll see. We'll see what happens here. So when he says that CZ is dumping Bitcoin from that ICO, yeah, I mean, I don't know, guys. Maybe it's a big pump and up. Who knows? Guys, there's so many reckless YouTubers out there that all they were doing yesterday was celebrating, right? And I had to be that guy. And I was like saying, guys, calm down. Like, calm down. It's a little dangerous. I had to be that guy. I'm always that guy. Why am I always that guy? Guys, so we're gonna run a poll real quick. I want you guys to run a poll here, or I'm gonna run a poll. What price do you think we will see first? 4,000 or 3,300? Right? Click 1 for 4,000 and 2 for 3,300. I'm glad you're that guy. Chris, I'm glad you're here. So, guys, I said if you think Bitcoin's going to go to 4,000, click 1. And if you think it's going to go to 3,300, or which one first? 4,000 first, 3,300 first. Click 1 for 4,000, 2 for 3,300. Edward Park, what's up, man? Chris Rock. Got some of my patrons in here. What's up, guys? So we have, I just got to do this like by looking at it. Gonna see. Right now it's mostly 2s. So most people think now most people think 3,300. Looks like 70% 2s and 30% 1s. That's what it looks like to me. So it's interesting. We had this downward sloping resistance, and we actually just fell right back into it. I'm curious to see if we come back up to retest, if we're just going to move through or get rejected here. You know, are we going to get rejected off that now and just pull back and just have another leg down? At this point, I wouldn't even doubt it. But for now, it'll probably be a little bit stable, maybe a slight move up, possibly, just to retest this again. But the market's probably going to be pretty damaged. Kevin, do you use short on BitMEX? Guys, I've never used BitMEX before. Literally never used it. Never tried it. So it looks like we could get a little bit of a rebound here. Retest our downward sloping resistance. Just a slight. I would say, maybe just slight, but again, guys, the market's pretty damaged right now. Not sure how big of a rebound we'll get. So Ripple Mark says, why the dump? I mean, somebody wanted to dump. There was a lot of profit to be taken up here, right? I mean, we just had a massive swing, right? Just profit zone. Easy decision for any whale. For any whale sitting on good profits, easy decision right there. Guys, I'm just going through chat right now. I can't read everything. This is too much, but what's the fib level on the dump right now? It depends on how you're looking at it, guys, right? So it looks like we could get a slight rebound here. We'll see what kind of confidence is left in the market. So you're looking at it from here. So we just bounced off the 50% retrace on this move. Just hit a 50% retrace. So it would make sense to get a bounce here, a small bounce. I wouldn't rely on it though, guys. The market is very damaged, and people are saying it's not damaged, guys. This psychologically, guys, this is pretty damaging, right? Anybody, especially all the new people, guys. Yesterday, I had a bunch of new people commenting on my videos saying, "Hey, I'm new to this market. I'm buying now," and I was like, "Man, they're in for something." the new hands paying their fair share of getting wrecked, right? Crypto W says, how can profits and volume be damaged? I mean, profits and volume are two things that always exist. So that's not really a good way to ask that question. New hands learning their lessons. Yeah, guys, if you're a new hand out there and you're just getting in here, you got a little dose of reality, right? Just, if you're coming back to this market right now and you're new to the market right now, it's just a little dose of reality, because just because you're back, just because you took a position on the market, doesn't mean the market's going to start flying up, guys. Just because you're here, right? Just because you came in. Wait, Alessio said there's a signal. What signal is he talking about? Guys, guys, this is just a casual stream. I have no script. I'm just talking. We're all just taking in the new data here of a nice dump, right? I mean, how long did this thing take? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in 5-minute periods. We go from 4,100 to 3,700. Pretty nice dump. I mean, someone says, calm down. We need a healthy correction. Yeah, I guess. I don't know if this is really healthy though. I don't know if this is the type of correction you really want to see, right? This is like you're not respecting. The only TA that you're respecting on this move right now is a 50% retrace. That's the only TA you could possibly. Everything else is just getting disrespected. It's not really the healthiest correction, per se, right? Guys, smash that like button if you haven't already, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so as well. Yeah, Edward Ornell says, this isn't a correction, it breaks all uptrend. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. It's a very damaging move. In my opinion, this is a very damaging move. It's just breaking all... It's just... I honestly would not be surprised to find no support here. I mean, yeah, a little bounce back maybe, sure. But like an actual continued leg down. Would not surprise me whatsoever. Retesting our area here. Wouldn't surprise me, honestly. Kenneth says he took his profits yesterday. Nice. Yeah, I agree. No dumps like this are healthy, guys. Not like this, right? Like if the, I mean, you could have seen, you know, like something like this. Yeah, this is a healthy correction, guys, right? Yeah, nice, great correction. This right here, quite damaging. Michael Core says, do you think that this is the beginning of the final capitulation? I wouldn't say that, guys. I wouldn't be so quick to be like, oh, we're just dumping now. Like, I can't say that, right? We're still holding this level. There is a chance that we see a little bit of play back into this area. You know, maybe we trade a little bit more sideways. Guys, personally, like I've been saying for the past, I don't even know, weeks. You know, I was saying, I think just from a timing perspective, May is our most likely area to find our bottom. But, you know, I can't just say that we're gonna, this is our final capitulate. Like, I'm not gonna be like a mega bear and just try to scare everybody. We could, guys, again, we could find a lot of stability in this area. We can find a lot of stability in this area for the time being, right? We don't have to fly up or dump. We could just literally, like in the video I made, Bitcoin bottom in May or whatever, I was saying we're most likely entering a period of stability. And, I mean, overall, that's kind of what's happening. Guys, I also just woke up, so forgive me if I seem a little bit out of it, because I am. I haven't even drank coffee yet. That's a crime. I need coffee, guys. How long am I planning on streaming? I don't know, guys. Probably not that long. Probably not that long. Just wanted to come in here, check in with you guys. I wanted to spend some time with you as you were all getting your dose of reality, so you can remember me, right? Remember me, guys. Remember, I'm like your dad, who's like, be careful out there. Oh yeah, somebody was commenting on my video yesterday saying, "Hey Kev, when are you gonna become a bull? Like, when are you gonna make that transition?" And I like, it's I cannot just be like, "Oh, I'm a bull now, guys." Right? It's not that. It's not black and white, right? All the guys, the people who just sit there and they say we're off to the moon now forever, or we're going to zero, like, very dangerous voices to listen to, guys. Very dangerous. I mean, people think I'm unreasonable for thinking that we're going to hit 2,500 when what? That's $600. 2,500 is $600 below our low. How is that an unreasonable prediction, guys? Right? People make fun of me for this. And it's like, oh, $600 lower than our lowest low? That's too much to ask for? Okay. This is crypto, guys. I loved the spectacle yesterday of all the crypto YouTubers celebrating, not even warning anybody of any potential of downside, just celebrating. It is so reckless. Pathetic, guys. Ronald R says 2,500 my ass, you sucker. Guys, the emotions running high, people getting wrecked. Guys, we're now right back in the middle. We're literally smack in the middle of our formation again. We're back, guys. Clap it up. We're back. Clapping. All right, let's see. 128 billion. Bitcoin dominance is rising once again, of course. Bitcoin is always the fallback, right? And all of your shit coins are getting dumped hard right now. This is great. Love it, guys. The altcoin purge continues. Get rid of those damn altcoins, those shit coins that are worth nothing. Get rid of them, guys. Where would you even fib this from? Here, probably? We bounced right above our 23% retrace, the 236, and pulled right back into it. And we've had no major retrace yet. The 236 got past it, came right back. No major retraces, guys. The market does not have to respect the TA all the time, guys. Especially on these short moves. These short moves, larger scale, yeah, maybe. Tell me what, other than the 50% retrace, tell me what TA is being respected here. Some people were saying that CZ Binance is dumping Bitcoin right now. Somebody kept commenting that. The nerd Robert saying the chart is talking with us. Bear not end yet. Yep. I mean, yeah, guys. I'm just exaggerating. Yes, you literally hit the exact top of our last run. Bounced right off of it. Respected. I'm just playing around, guys. Keep hardware wallet or paper wallet not on exchange. Yeah, guys, I'm actually getting a bunch of hardware wallets right now to test out a few of them, and then I'll get back to you guys on what I think is the best. So it's going to be interesting to see how damaged this market is. If we're going to get a nice bounce back, retrace back into this candle maybe, or if we just get like stuck below our downward sloping resistance that we've been stuck in, and a continued dump, Guys, this is a pretty damaging move. I'm not just saying that. Like, what is the market going to do from here? You know, it's just a very weird place for the price to retrace to. I would expect that we'll probably. I mean, guys, what support's going to come in here after this move? Like, anybody looking at this chart right now? Yeah. Day traders, swing traders, yeah, they'll probably buy in to see if they can get a nice rebound, nice play on the rebound, sure. But it's pretty damaging, guys. Not sure how much support you're going to have coming in behind that, right? It's not very attractive unless you are like a day trader. If you're a day trader, this is awesome. Todd Mullins coming in with the 2 says recent pump equals starving man. We go lower. Todd, thank you for the donation, man. Much appreciated. Sean Casey says trend line from the bottom of this uptrend is clear support right now. Oh, I guess you're right. I didn't even think about that. That's actually correct. I did not even think about that. But again, guys, even with that there, it's the downside momentum is pretty strong. Like, I don't know. It just doesn't really make sense that you just get like a nice rebound off of this. This is going to create a lot of negative sentiment, a lot of negative pressure, guys. Even if we're hitting our upsloping support, I wouldn't rely on this thing too much, guys. This right here, I don't know. I think that's a bit risky to just rely on this line here, because this move is pretty damn harsh and very damaging psychologically and just overall in the market. Like, I don't know. It just doesn't really make sense for that we would get a rebound right off that. If I had to take a guess, I'd say we're probably just going to break through it, honestly. Probably. Like, that, it's not reliable, in my opinion. Just from my experience, not reliable. When you have a move like that damaging, not very reliable. I hope you guys don't mind. I'm going to vape. Yeah, a lot of people talk about bots. Programmed bots. Josh Barr says, what price does Bitcoin need to close to remain green on the monthly? I would have to pull up TradingView. Because this right here doesn't... CryptoWatch... That's the one thing about CryptoWatch that I hate, is that it doesn't have monthly candles. Just going to pull it up right here. Yeah, guys, let me know. I'm just curious. Is the crypto YouTube space right now at this moment very quiet, or is it very noisy? Are the same people who were pumping Bitcoin yesterday telling you guys to FOMO in? Are those people saying stuff right now or not? Let me know. So for the monthly candle to stay green, it's it looks like 3,420. 3,420 for the monthly candle. Very quiet. Much less noise today. That's why I love it, guys. I can always take the conservative route. You know, make sure people don't FOMO. Make sure people, make sure people are careful, not being reckless. And then when the price goes down, I can come on here and be comfortable with it, right? I can just be comfortable with it and be like, hey, guys, I told you to stay conservative. It's great. And now I'm on probably the only crypto YouTuber who's live. Fantastic. Smash that like button. Subscribe to the channel, guys. Just coming into the shorter time frames, 30 minutes here. Are we getting any support? Not really all that much support. So now, guys, now would be a good time to just, go check out your favorite YouTuber and go see what they were saying yesterday. And just remember that. Just remember that. There were some YouTubers yesterday that were actually saying, like, hey, be careful. Some of them that I follow, too, and I respect that. Most of them, very reckless guys. Michael R. says, I'm the only one that they're following. I'm just reading chat. It's a casual stream. I'm not here. I don't have a script. So I can I guess we'll just stir up some crypto drama now. Let's just go for it, right? Let's just go for it. So some people were saying that Alessio was spot on. I got to check up on Alessio. Some people were saying that Crypto Crown was saying that to be cautious. Crown's pretty good, guys. Crown's good. No surprise that Bitcoin Ben was saying moon. No surprise there. And Kirby will say that he took profits guaranteed. Somebody said, and what else do we got? Sonny Decree was bearish. Yeah, I saw Sonny was good about it. Sonny Decree treated the situation well and was telling everyone to be cautious, which I like. Yeah, guys, I'm just curious to see what's going to happen here. I'm just looking at the 15-minute now. Are we gonna maybe get a bounce, little small rebound, pullback? It's just really right now. Right now, you can look at all the technicals you want. It really comes down to the psychology at this point. Do people see this as a good opportunity right now, or is the market too damaged and is this very intimidating for the new hands? They're just gonna just fud their way out of the market, or it's tough to say right now. I'm still leaning bearish, guys. I'm still leaning bearish. I think we might actually get a continued leg down. I'm not sure if this upward sloping support that one of our viewers here pointed out is really going to do much. A retest of this support, I think, makes sense to me, but we'll see. Todd coming in with another 2 says Kirby went long and says the stop saved him. Todd, thank you for the dono. Much appreciated, man. Much appreciated. Let's see if we break lower, guys. It's looking like the market might want to break lower. I would love to see some more downside. Honestly, I would love it. Somebody said, according to Muradov, says it will never reverse until we bottom 2K. Bottom below 2K. I don't know, guys. I mean, personally, I think 2,000 range is good enough. Personally, I think retesting this bottom support cluster right off the start of our parabolic run here, I think retesting this bottom support cluster would be just enough, in my opinion, honestly. But, just bottoming out here with this low volume in general just doesn't seem right, guys. I mean, I'm just a broken record now, but I just can't see the bottom happening here, as I've been saying. It's interesting to also see that, every time the price comes up above this area, you see huge swings. Prices came up here, huge swings. This is like Bitcoin's playground, guys. In between 3,700 and 4,100 is Bitcoin's playground. Right? Once you get below 3,700, the price action gets a little bit more grindy. Right? You're hitting more support. It gets a little bit more grindy. But right when you get above that 3,700 mark, right, price just starts flying up, flying down. But, you can just see in this area, guys, price swings so much right here. So much. Just looking at the 15-minute right now, guys. The nerd robot says, looks like nobody wants to buy cheap Bitcoin. Where's the buy orders? ? Yeah, that's what I'm saying, right? Just reading chat right now. Thank you to all the 400 plus viewers who are watching right now, guys. Much appreciated. If you can, smash that like button, subscribe button. Any button is really a good button, right? The YouTube algorithm doesn't really care. As long as you click one of the buttons that is available to you, just click one, dislike, like, subscribe. Doesn't matter. Click a button, and that's all you need to do, guys. Why the hell is SafeCoin up 37%? Guys, there's always a shitcoin pumping. That's always happening. Captain Happy says report button okay too? ? I mean, I guess. What does that even do? What does that even really do? I feel like videos get reported all the time. I don't think it does anything. Just push a damn button. Crypto W wants to know who's shorting right now. Click 1. Todd coming in with another 2 says, look at Tron. Chart looks horrible. All right, guys, let's take. Yeah, guys, if you have any requests, for any coins, just comment. I'm gonna get like 1,000 comments right now. I'm not gonna be able to do all of them. Where's Tron here? Tron. Nice. So is this Tron's chart? Interesting. This is a pretty critical spot right here, guys. Previous resistance point. I mean, this is just basic stuff. Works really well, guys. Previous resistance point and your next support area right there. Coming up on it now, right? So, what, like 21.5 cents, or sorry, 2.5 cents seems to be your most critical support right now that you would need to hold. Right, we had this upsloping support here, and ended up breaking down below it. And now we're kind of in a free fall with the rest of the market here for Tron. 2.5 cents is pretty critical here, just so you guys know. We're not there yet. We still got some room to drop. Still got some room to pull back for Tron. All right, some more requests. Oh my god, guys, I'm only gonna review a coin that is on this website. Like, I'm not gonna look up. Topo says, love your channel, dude. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. So Tron continuing to dump. Yeah, guys, 2.5 cents if you're looking at Tron is your next major support area that you would need to hold. But guys, again, right, guys, be careful, guys. Right now, the market is very damaged. It's a very damaged market off of this move. Just be careful with whatever you do. Be careful. Always use caution. Someone says Litecoin got wrecked. Let's check out Litecoin. So Litecoin just got rejected off that top. I mean, it's pretty clear here, guys. Pretty clear chart. Pretty obvious thing to look at. You got your major support level right there. Came up, acted as resistance right here, right? And now we're just getting rejected again. You know, guys, it's hard to tell where this thing's going to stop. I mean, your bottom upsloping support from this point for Litecoin is like $36. Just below us there, $36, $37. I mean, I guess you could look at this previous high right here and say this is your next major support for Litecoin, which would be just below $40, probably like 30 something dollars. Oh, sorry, 39, a little over $39. 30 something. That probably sounded stupid. Just below $40. $39 is your next major support for Litecoin. Ethereum also doing something similar here, hitting that previous support, getting rejected off the same resistance point once again. I guess you could look at this area as a potential major support area as your next area right here. Like $126 for Ethereum. That's your next level that you really need to hold. Just below $40, $39 for Litecoin, very important level to hold. Tron, 2.5 cents, very important level to hold. What else do we got? Just doing like speed round TA here. Damaged like my girl. Flush the shit coins. I totally agree. It's something we really need to do right now. Someone says their alarm just went off for Tron on Binance. Yeah, Tron's getting a bit of a dump here, guys. Bit of a dump. Someone says do XRP. A lot of XRP requests now. I hate using Bitfinex because the frickin' USDT pricing's so dumb. Although this is like... Is this the one I always use? Probably. I don't even remember. I had one XRP chart that I had all mapped out. I don't think it's this one. Although, you know, you have... I mean, this is right here. It's already mapped out. Very critical support, guys. Is this even correct? Let's just draw it again. It's getting, guys, it's getting a bit weary here. Getting a bit weary here for XRP. Not gonna lie. If you're just... I mean, if you're just drawing it from your most significant supports, I mean, like, we're coming below that support line right now. I mean, I guess, yeah, I guess I could adjust for that. I don't even know if that would be the proper thing to do. Maybe right here. Because we're coming right up on that support for XRP. 28.5 cents. 28.5 cents is your major support level. I mean, you also need to be looking at these areas right here. Your previous tops. Right? Which we are actually below right now. Except for one. So, 28 cents, guys. 28 cents for XRP is pretty critical. If you fall below 28 cents for XRP, you'd be looking at, you know, probably like 15 cents. As the next major support. So guys, it's getting pretty critical for a lot of these coins right now, but we'll see. It's really all up to Bitcoin. If Bitcoin can bounce back here, maybe there's going to be some, you know, maybe you'll all be saved or something, but it's pretty critical right now for everything. EOS saw a nice bounce back. Interesting. I mean, guys, everything's just coming right back to this previous support. All the altcoins are returning back to the yearly lows from last year and are getting rejected off of them right now. So EOS doing a similar thing. I mean, next major support really is $3.10 for EOS. $3.10 for EOS, seems like. So everything, guys, is just coming back, retesting that yearly low. Everything. And getting dumped off of it. A Tron, a little bit more bullish than the rest. Tron actually got above, held above for a while, and is now returning to some critical levels. Guys, if you haven't already, smash that like button, the subscribe button. I don't even know why I'm doing an analysis on shitcoins, but I guess we'll just keep going with it because it's people seem to enjoy. Let's go to Bitcoin Cash. I mean, Bitcoin Cash, I mean, is actually one of the better coins. I'm not going to lie. I know I'm probably going to get hate for saying that, but in terms of fundamentally the amount of adoption it's gotten, it's actually, even though the price is like horrible, like price actually is getting wrecked, but there's a lot of Bitcoin OGs that still own Bitcoin Cash. But it's not looking good here, guys. Not looking good. All right, so Bitcoin Cash, interesting structure. I mean, we've just been hitting this upsloping support over and over again. And we're coming up on it now. So you're looking at like 123 bucks. 123 bucks is that point that you need to bounce off of, but I don't know, guys. It's all up to Bitcoin. It's all up to Bitcoin. Can Bitcoin bounce? I knew people were gonna hate that. The only reason I say it's like Dogecoin, guys. It's like Dogecoin. The market structure of Dogecoin is some of the best in the entire crypto space. Why is that? It's not because it's a great coin. It's because of the ownership. It's because there's a lot of Bitcoin OGs. I'm just reading the chat. It's getting pretty funny in here. I'm not going to get fooled by these moon boys. We're falling into a black hole. We'll see, guys. I mean, we're sitting at the 50% retrace on this move from our low to high. We're going to see if we can get a rebound. Guys, I'm not doing ETN. What even is that? What is ETN? You guys, Dogecoin has some of the best market structure in the entire crypto space. It's hilarious. It's hilarious. Is Doge even on this site? It used to be. Here we go. Whoa, what do I want to use? Poloniex? Is this is not, this is incorrect because this is Poloniex. USDT. What would I have to use? This is all USDT implementation for Dogecoin. I guess I would have to go with the BTC. Oh yeah, it has to be against BTC. I don't even, how do you even chart this? I mean, you have this like falling wedge, I guess. You can chart it like that. I mean, that's not really falling wedge, actually. Yeah, it's also looking quite bearish for Dogecoin as well. It's all up to Bitcoin though, guys. Damn, I need coffee. I really need coffee right now. Kevin, do you believe in Tyler Jenks Hyperwave? No, I do not. I do not. Because, guys, when I was watching Tyler Jenks Hyperwave, like one of his live streams, and if I remember correctly, he said that after the break below 6K, Hyperwave was confirmed and that it didn't matter if we hit $1,000 or not. And I was like, that's a little bit, it's a little too convenient for you there, Tyler. That you're saying that, okay, you had all your necessary waves, like wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, and then, you know, wave 5, wave 6, and then you're saying that the last wave, it doesn't matter what price it hits, it's already hyperwave. That's a little bit too convenient, I would say, for Tyler there. So he was kind of trying to make excuses so that no matter which way the market went, that hyperwave would still be a thing. That's what it seemed like to me. Maybe I got it wrong, but Tyler said a break below 6K doesn't matter where it goes. It's hyperwave. So hyperwave's confirmed apparently, according to him. I disagree with Tyler Jenks. I don't know. I don't doubt that there is that type of, I don't even know, what would you call it? That those types of market movements happen, and there is a very particular type of pattern and a particular type of like emotion that goes into these markets and the way that they play out. But I don't think you can just look at every chart that has a certain come up and just say that, oh, we're guaranteed to go back to the beginning. I don't agree with Tyler's hyperwave. I mean, there's just so many external there's no magical thing that says you must go lower. Like what if something happens in the global economy? What if Bitcoin is actually needed by a bunch of countries and it just will never hit 1,000? You know what I mean? Like there's just, It just seems like Tyler thinks that there's this like magical thing that it's just like guaranteed to go back. There's so many variables, so many factors in this market that you can't just say that anything's guaranteed. There's nothing's guaranteed, guys. Things can change overnight, as you see. People are telling me to go get coffee, although I actually ran out of coffee yesterday, which sucks. So that means I got to go out now and get some coffee. Guys, we're looking at the 15-minute here right now, 15-minute chart. David says the only thing guaranteed are death and taxes. I guess so. Unless you're John McAfee, then you don't have to pay taxes. Dump wave. Yeah, no, I would have to literally leave my place and go get coffee. That's what I'm saying. Like, I can't just leave the stream up without me here. I mean, I could. Be stupid, though. Guys, it's just a live stream hangout. Just reading chat, communicating with the community here, and just hanging out. Styles XRP says Wawa. Yes, absolutely. I go to Wawa all the time. All the time. That's probably exactly where I'm going to go, actually. Somebody was saying, do you think we're going to test 4.4K first before going to 3K? I mean, guys, it's hard for me to just make that prediction right now. I personally would not expect a rebound back to 4K. I mean, yeah, is it possible? I guess. It's just the market's pretty damaged right now, and I don't know if we're just going to get a rebound of that magnitude after such a devastating sell-off. But you know, I think more likely we'll probably just find a little bit of stability in this area, honestly. At this point, it seems more likely that we just find a little bit of stability. You know, maybe we even go lower, you know. I would assume stability would be the outcome of this. And when I say stability, honestly, guys, going from 3,000 to 4,000 to 3,000 to 4,000 is very stable for Bitcoin. All this movement is actually quite stable. It's just amazing to see that the market was so hyped. Everyone was so hyped that we were retesting our resistance. Wow, great. And we got rejected. Awesome. Great. Like, what's the big deal there? We didn't even break into a higher high. I mean, we did, I guess, technically. We just retested our highs, got rejected immediately. It's amazing. Jerry says, just woke up, 3,700. Wow. Guys, in the description of this video, someone's asking what charting platform. If you just scroll down, it says in the description, it says using CryptoWatch for markets analysis. Oh, wait, somebody asked a question. I think I missed it. Someone says, these smart contract platforms copy each other and say... I'll update sharding. Looks like they don't want to do it with their coins. Yeah, I mean it's a pretty big leap to make, switching over to you know, sharding proof of stake. It's a pretty big leap to make. Ami. Yeah, I can never predict my coffee, guys. I always drink too much. I mean, you know, there's like people asking if the price is going to bounce up again. I mean, yeah, I guess you could like hope for something like this. This is like your only hope. Price movement like that right now. And that, you know, you would have to get your reversal like now, right? Or at least on the next daily candle, you would need to get that reversal back up, and you would need to hold above that upsloping support for that breakout again. I think it's very unlikely. I guess it's possible though. Yeah, guys, this was a big FOMO check. Anyway, guys, I don't think I'm going to stream for that much longer. I need to go get coffee. I actually got a flat tire the other day driving, so I got to go get my tire replaced as well. So we got to do those things. Guys, if anything crazy happens, I will stream again. But for now, guys, I'm probably going to head out soon. Yeah, some people were saying that they think that this pump started because of tax returns or something. I don't know. Or yeah, something like that. I forget. Somebody was commenting that. And someone else was saying, did you ever notice that these pumps and dumps are coming hand in hand with people's salary payments each month? I don't know if you can correlate that. Ricky, I'm using CryptoWatch. In the description of this video, if you just click description, it says CryptoWatch markets chart for analysis. But guys, yeah, we'll see. I mean, this is a very interesting move, right? It's different than what we've seen before, right? The price comes up, you trade sideways, and then you BART down. You know, off this bull run, or this move to the upside, I mean, like, you know, you trade sideways a little bit, and then you BART down, but it was a little different this time, guys. It was a little different. It was a little bit more harsh, a little bit more out of the blue, right? But, you know, guys, we did have a nice pullback, a little bit of a rebound, a retrace, maybe back up to this previous support level here. It's a potential, sure, but it's pretty damaged. I don't know. Personally, if I had to take a bet, I would say we'd find a little bit of stability and then probably drop lower. But that's just me, guys. Don't trade based off of what I say. Just take it as a secondary opinion. Todd coming in with another $2 donation saying, Dunkin' Brand's coffee on me. Dude, Todd bought me my coffee today. Thank you, Todd. Much appreciated. Anyway, guys, I'm probably going to head out for now. If anything crazy happens, I will return. You best believe that. Smash the like, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell if you want to be alerted for live streams and videos. And my last piece of advice, not financial advice, but my last little thing I would like to say is that trading opportunities are like trains. There's always another one coming. So there's no reason to FOMO, guys. Trading opportunities are like trains. There's always another one coming. All right, guys? So, you know, stay level-headed out there, guys, right? That's what I keep trying to preach. All right, guys? Much appreciated. Thank you all for being here, and I will see you all in the next video, next live stream. Peace out.